Hi, my name is Lisa Stack and I'm your CNY Fertility Support Coordinator. And this week I uploaded an article talking about the spring holidays. So we're right in the midst of Passover and Easter coming up, especially with Holy Week this week. And a lot of times this brings up, wonderful energy and wonderful thoughts of regeneration and a new life in spring, but it can also be challenging because there are more sad connotations to these holidays, as well as the big family get-togethers. And it's always challenging seeing family and friends with young kids, especially when you're trying to conceive. So it's important to revisit the holiday guide that I had uploaded before. Make sure you take some extra time for yourself, plan ahead, make sure you know where you're going, who you're going to see, and what topics may come up. And like I've mentioned before, getting that script together so you know how much information you're going to disclose, and have a good couple responses in your back pocket for when people say, oh, when's the baby coming? When are you going to get pregnant? Have a good response time so it doesn't look like you're hesitating too much and you don't get anxious. But, just go along with the usual, oh, we're working on it, we're trying, we'll let you know. We're working with a physician if that's what you would like to say. But just always be prepared and always know that there are going to be comments, there are going to be questions, and don't take it personally. They're not doing it to harm you or to upset you in any way. It's just their journey. Try and enjoy the holidays and create some good new celebrations and traditions, and use this time to look at these traditions as something that you can pass on to your children. So really try and come up with some fun new things that you're excited to share with your children when they come. Have a great holiday.